We are still in the parking lot. There's some kind of congestion, and we met this really nice person who also was riding a bike, and thought maybe you could tell us a little bit about your story. How did you get started on this trip, and what kind of bike is that?
Yeah, totally. It's not actually my bike, it's my friend's bike, if I'm honest. I just come from biking culture.
Right.
So it's a 800 Suzuki, 1996, is what I know of, with more miles than there is on the sun. So that's why it was so cheap. I've driven down from Nelson, British Columbia, all the way through Idaho, Montana.
But you're originally from Isle of Man, you said?
Yeah, originally from the Isle of Man. So you've got the TT and all of that.
Yeah.
Ridiculous culture that I grew up with.
Yeah.
To be very honest, I still don't have a motorbike license.
Oh, okay.
I never got it.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Can still drive them. And I just...
How long have you been riding a motorcycle?
Since I was like 12, 13 years old. It was like a 50cc dirt bike when we started, and then built up, and all my friends went into 750R tunes, Suzukis and Ninjas and Death Machines. And I knew that if I got one, I wouldn't be here.
So how did you decide you wanted to take a long trip across the... How big is the trip you're planning?
Oh, it's about 10,000 kilometers in total.
10,000?
So like, I started in Nelson, it went through Idaho, Montana, Wyoming. I cut across Wyoming into Colorado, Utah, Vegas, hop over to Arizona.
Wow.
I'll be into California, all the way up the coast of Seattle, and back to BC.
Very cool.
And the reason why it happened was I had time.
Nice.
I was like, I'd already done BC last year.
That's what I wish I had.
Heading into the Yukon, which I was like, I'd rather not do at this time of the year. It'll just be too bloody cold. Or chase the sun all the way down to Mexico. So I was like, why not?
Well, I've always wanted.
It's the best opportunity I have.
Right.
While I'm in Canada.
Good. Yeah, I would love to ride where you're from.
Oh god, yeah, it's dangerous. It's madness.
Really?
Oh, it's lanes that are no wider than like that car, and basically they go. Off you go.
So this is your friend?
Oh, that's my friend,
I hope you don't mind me.
No, that's okay.
Okay, so how long have you been riding?
I got a motorcycle license in Colombia, the country, about a year ago.
Nice.
And then I bought a motorcycle in Mexico, 125.
Oh, cool.
Drove it all the way across Mexico.
Very cool.
I was planning to get it onto the States, but the highways, the mountain passes and everything here were just a little bit too difficult for 125.
Right.
So I upgraded.
Very cool. Very cool.
So that's my story.
But
the wind in Utah
has been
really
incredible.
messed with me.
Oh yeah.
The last couple of days.
The day we left Moab, it was like
it's been
35, 40 mile an hour crosswinds.
Yeah. Well, thank you for your time, and
worries.
I just thought it'd be cool to talk to somebody from out of the country who also rides motorcycles, and always cool to hear your story.
Yeah.
This is a great place to ride.
Yeah, it is.
If you ever get the opportunity, go to the Isle of Man.
I would love to. Very interesting to go on a trip like this and go to all these national parks, and you meet people from all around the world. I just love hearing their stories. So that's cool. And traffic is a little weird here right now, and it's very, very hot, so we are on our way. We're going to go on a little road outside of Zion and then come back through it again the opposite way. All right, catch you later. Alright, so we're on State Road 9. We came through Zion and we thought we'd check out this side road, which there's no traffic on to speak of. It follows the west side of Zion, and it goes up to a reservoir. But, I mean, how awesome. Check out a road that you haven't been on before, and it's not the most popular one for all the tourists. And what a view. Oh my goodness. What an awesome road this is. An awesome view. I mean, it's like there's hardly anybody on this road, which makes it even better. And nice, smooth roads, and the viewpoints are just amazing. mean, this is just mega. Mega.
It's almost like you're in Zion again.
It is like the backside of Zion.
Yeah, the northwest side.
We did see some bison this morning. Wow. Yeah, I saw that. It's very hard to focus on the road.
Yeah.
Wow, look behind you.
Yeah, I did.
Oh, that's amazing.
Yeah.
I've got the Hero 5 looking backwards, so hopefully got a good view. Such a dork. I had to stop and show you this amazing side road. It's like the backside of the west side of Zion, and there's like virtually no traffic here. A few motorcycles, a few bicyclists. You can see just the cut-in underneath that rock face there. It's so cool. So yeah, we're really digging this ride today. It's been absolutely amazing. Right, Jerry?
Heck yeah. I think we're gonna
Hi.
Hey, how are you?
Good, how are you? Have a nice ride.
Thank you. You too. I think we're gonna go right underneath it.
Underneath the
rock
that?
formation. I think so. The road kind of curves around that way.
Wow.
Am I going right underneath?
That's cool. Wow, look at this.
Yeah.
That's beautiful. It's so blue. My Sena battery died for recording video, so I'm not going to be doing it from the helmet for the rest of the day. I mean, what better spot to stop at? There's nobody, nobody, just goats over there. Nobody else here. I doused myself with some water because it's just amazingly hot today. But I'm not complaining. We've seen some epic scenery, and it's been quite a trip so far. What a nice spot. This little town park is just beautiful. Alright, I'll check in with you tomorrow after I've charged up my cameras, because my Sena battery, no more battery for talking on the headsets, but not taking video. So Sena, you kind of suck sometimes.